In this video, we'll be looking at the features of the new 2024 Lexus TX.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The 2024 TX SUV is based on the Toyota Grand Highlander platform and will replace the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup. The RXL was never particularly spacious in the back seat, but the TX should provide plenty of space for people to relax down. We anticipate a slew of luxury features. The Toyota version is already rather comfortable on the inside, to justify the Lexus moniker, but the manufacturer has yet to issue a detailed equipment list. 3 engine options will be available, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in hybrid. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while the plug-in hybrid is reported to produce 406 horsepower and give 33 miles of electric-only driving range. When it goes on sale in the fall of 2023, the TX will be a brand new vehicle with a fresh new moniker for the Lexus brand. The TX is available in 3 variants, including a 406 horsepower plug-in hybrid known as the TX 550h Plus. Most models are available in mid-range premium and premium luxury trims, but we won't make a judgment on which is the greatest value until we know more about which amenities are standard in various trims. TX 350 models are powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This entry-level engine produces 275 horsepower and is available with either front or all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The TX 500hF Sport Performance ups the ante with standard all-wheel drive and a hybrid assist system that boosts horsepower to 366 ponies. This model has a 6-speed automatic rather than an 8-speed. The TX 550h Plus, however, is the most powerful version of the TX, with 406 horsepower generated by a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a plug-in hybrid system. The TX 550h Plus comes standard with all-wheel drive and a continuously variable automatic transmission. We'll drive the TX to our test track when we have an opportunity and update this story with test results and driving impressions. Lexus hasn't revealed all of the details of the plug-in hybrid TX 550h Plus model, but we do know that it should have enough battery capacity to operate the 3-row SUV for approximately 33 miles before needing to be recharged. We'll update this story with further information regarding the battery size, charging time, and official range estimate when we learn more. The EPA has yet to weigh in on the TX's fuel economy projections, but Lexus says the TX 350 will get 21 miles per gallon combined, while the hybrid TX 500h and TX 550h Plus will get 24 miles per gallon combined and 30 miles per gallon combined, respectively. We'll take the TX on our 75 miles per hour interstate fuel economy tour when we can. Depending on the interior layout, the TX can accommodate up to 7 people across 3 rows. The TX's total capacity is reduced to 6 by an optional set of second-row captain's chairs, but purchasers who intend to use the TX as a family SUV may find that compromise worthwhile to give siblings separation. There are plenty of storage compartments, and Lexus has included plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin. We don't yet have a whole list of the TX's standard and optional features, but we expect to see plenty of convenience and luxury items, like as a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and possibly massage for those in the front. We'll update this article with more information when we learn more. The TX comes standard with a large 14.0-inch infotainment display that runs Lexus' newest infotainment interface, which we found to be quick and straightforward to operate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as an in-dash navigation system and a wireless smartphone charging pad, are anticipated to come standard. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display may be customized to provide the driver a variety of information, and an optional head-up display adds additional digital readout. Lexus hasn't revealed what the standard radio will be in the TX, we're guessing a 10-speaker setup similar to the one found in the 2024 GX SUV, but it has confirmed that a 21-inch Mark Levinson premium stereo will be offered. Every TX will come standard with a package of driver assist systems such as adaptive cruise control, pedestrian recognition, lane centering, and more. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.